Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
What?
It's been a minute since Wes and I have both hopped on here. You know, the
Together.
world's been a bit crazy, but we
I
good.
don't know.
But we good. Today we're gonna jump on and we are going to have fun with a brand new brand that came out recently.
Which is?
Hold on.
The brand is?
The brand is, can you guess? All right, drum roll please.
One Size.
One size fits all.
So this is One Size by Patrick Starrr. I mean, as y'all seen from the title of the video. So we're going to be reviewing his new products that he has. So here's...
Damn,
there she
Patrick.
is. And then we have all of his products. One's the back, description, and prices, which we will tell y'all.
Oh, the mirror's slipping.
Oh, okay. There's a mirror, dude.
There's a mirror, dude.
There's a mirror, you guys.
One size fits all.
And it's literally the biggest makeup mirror I've ever seen.
5 eye poppers, which is a glitter and metallic liquid eyeshadow. It is a one swipe wonder. We have a brown and a black Point Made 24-hour gel liner right here.
And then there is a felt tip liquid eyeliner that is in black.
24 hours, honey.
Waterproof?
It's waterproof,
Does it say waterproof?
smudge proof, and glides on you. It glides.
Like, this shit's heavy, man.
Yeah, I know, I'm tired. And then of course we do have this beautiful 15 pan eyeshadow.
Boom, that's what she looks like.
Yes.
But we'll get more into that. So
anyways, let's put this bitch down. Patrick, that was a workout, honey. Alright guys, we brought out the makeup out of the box. And that is a big mirror. Look at that, literally covered your face. Look at that, covered your face.
Yeah. Hi, bye.
So here's the palette. It's cute and it has like a different cut.
So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the makeup. We're going to start with our eyes. So let's go ahead and just do that.
So, like everybody else, I like to use this as our base.
I'm just gonna go ahead and throw a concealer on. We're gonna throw it on a base first, so all of our eyeshadows look nice and even and colorful and pigmented and everything.
But I'm gonna start building my crease with the shade Taupe of My Game.
So I'm gonna play with these shades right here. I'm going to start with Suede Charm. So this is our first time using Patrick's products. We haven't touched any of these yet, so this will be like a first impression / review. So I'm going to dip into the green shade called Matcha. This one I'm really excited for. I'm going to put that on the outer part of my crease.
Alright guys, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Brownie, and we're gonna go ahead and deepen that crease a little more.
Yeah, these are blending very nicely. Even pigmentation, there's no like weird patchiness or anything.
Yeah, it's honestly just gliding on and just really, honestly blending itself.
Wow, Patrick, I like it.
Okay, now we are going to dip into the shade Blue Mondu, and we're going to tap this and build this into our crease.
Okay, so I'm going to do this in the crease, and then I'm going to use a little bit of concealer, and I'm going to do a full cut crease all the way out. I created this line doing a cut crease, and that's kind of just my process, and I'm kind of just going to leave it. I'm not going to do the full cut crease and fill it in, because I like that line. So I think I'm just going to take some of the liquid eyeshadow and fill that in.
The crease is Deep Blue. We're going to get the shade Everything, which is this really pretty pink.
Yeah, it's like a rose gold.
A rose gold.
Okay, so I'm going to set that little line that I made with the concealer. I'm going to use shade Manila Sands and just pack some of that powder right on top of that so it doesn't move. Alright, so for the eyelid portion, I'm going to take shade Mango. I'm going to pack it on the inner portion of my eyelid, and then I'm going to go into shade Suede Charm. Pack that on the inner part, and then keep that green on the outer part of the eye.
Alright, now that I have the Everything shade on, I'm going to get the eye popper in the shade Everything and More, and we're going to go ahead and stack that on top of that shimmer.
So I'm going to take the eye popper in shade Pea House, and I'm going to just fill in that blank space that we have. Alright guys, so we finished a good portion of our eyeshadows. We're going to go ahead and go into our skin, and we're going to do that off camera. We will do our skin, and we'll come back and finish the eyes.
I'm going to be using his liner after I do a full face. That's about it, right?
Okay. See you in a second.
See you in momentarily. We went ahead and put on our faces.
Ooh, look at us.
So
We're matched. Yeah.
Do y'all like it?
So our skin is on point. With that said, we're gonna continue our eyes.
Yes.
These chairs are so squeaky.
Sorry guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just get that shade Blue Mondew. Is that what it is? Blue Mondew?
Mondew. Sure.
Blue Mondew. I'm gonna bring it underneath.
Oh, that blue and that pink is so pretty. ASMR?
ASMR.
So I'm going to take Suede Charm and put that right on my inner part of my lower lash line. And then the outer part is going to be the green.
I went ahead and brought down that blue. I'm going to get a cream gel liner for my waterline. I'm going to go ahead and just give it a little extra something.
So I'm going to grab the gold shade title holder. I'm just going to pop that into my inner corner.
I'm going to dip into the Rebel Gray and I'm going to use it as my pop. I pop in that inner corner, girl. I really want Taco Bell. Alright guys, now I'm going to be using the Point Made Bodacious Black eyeliner with a felt tip. Waterproof, by the way. Non-smudge.
So while he does his eyeliner, I'm going to move on to... I'm just going to do my lashes in the meantime.
And we'll be back with our final looks. And we're back.
Boom, we're back, y'all. Look at us. Ooh, ooh. We got lashes and lips on. So here are our finished looks. We will do some close-ups to get some details of the eyeshadow. But this is one size.
Fits all.
Here's the results, the product. I really like mine. I've never done this little thing in the middle. And then I don't really mess with greens that much.
You really don't.
But I really like this. It's kind of fall.
Yes. I'm just fun. Cute pink one.
I'm just fun. Yours reminds me of like, I don't know. Cotton candy, but if your blue was lighter.
Maybe like the Roaring 20s. Some glitter. Maybe not. Anyways, guys, I do want to say that one size, you're pretty damn good, girl. It's pretty on point.
Pretty on point.
So far, everything I've used was pretty good.
Yeah, I have literally no complaints about any of the eyeshadows, any of the liquid eyeshadows.
Were so good just because as soon as you would apply it, it kind of just like
it was like buttery, like it would blend. It
just like went on.
Literally, the moment you did one stroke to blend it, it blended.
It blended.
But yeah, so I love that. That's pretty great. I do recommend the shadow palette. It's cute. There's some neutrals, a couple colors in there, but
I do recommend this as well. And honestly,
yeah, it's very pretty.
It's pretty dope. And for my lip, in case you guys are wondering, I went with Laura Lee Los Angeles.
And I have on for my lip Dose of Color, and then in the middle I have Hank and Henry as an ombre.
Oh, she ombre?
Ombre, honey.
You did ombre.
A little bit ombre.
So you guys, a part of Patrick Starrr's brand, the first two things he did release was the biggest and juiciest.
This is Go Off Juiciest Makeup Remover Wipes.
And the makeup dissolving mist is called Go Off as well. These two together, y'all.
Yeah, so we're not going to use it right now because, you know, we just beat
We're going
the
to
face.
take some photos.
But this, Patrick says you spray this on, a couple sprays. And then you take this
and
makeup wipe, which is really big.
You gotta show them.
Yeah, I gotta show you.
We'll just use it later.
So here is the makeup wipe.
And look at this is like
bigger than my face.
This is another little makeup wipe that we use just to clean up as we go. Do you see this difference, y'all? Look at that.
Yeah, it's huge, and it smells so good. Smell that?
Okay, it does smell really pretty good. Okay, and one thing, if you guys do buy this, which I do recommend buying, when you first spray it, you're gonna be tripped out because you feel like nothing's going on.
It feels like gonna air. Be like, it's so fine, the mist, that when I first did it, I was like...
You were tripping. You were like, wait, I didn't do anything. I was like, yeah, you did.
I was like, there's something on my face. Something came out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. I'm gonna do a couple passes. I don't think I got anything. No, I felt like air. There's nothing on my face.
Everything's on your face already.
Oh my god, there is something on my face. Holy cow. Okay. Also, this bag is resealable, so you can close it so it doesn't dry out.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and joining Wesley and I on the One Size makeup brand.
One size fits all, bitches. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave any of your comments down below. Your thoughts on One Size, if you guys have used it, if you're going to try it out. Also, give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel, helps our video, and don't forget to subscribe.
And helps us grow. So we love to grow.
And don't forget to subscribe, y'all.
Subscribe to our channel and to our Instagram, which is at Wesley Benjamin Carter.
At Matt_Lars. So I hope to see y'all in the next video. Better be there. Be there or be square.
Hey, be there, be square.
Thanks for watching, guys.
You guys take care. Bye.